Welcome everyone. I am Swati from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, second year, third sem. Now I am here to explain about an operating systems. The topic is computer system architectures. The subtopics to be covered are definition of operating systems, types of computer system architecture, introduction of computer system architecture, single processor systems, multiprocessor systems and its types, clustered systems, advantages, disadvantages, conclusion. Operating system. An operating system is a program that manages the computer hardware. It also provides a basis for application programs and acts as an intermediary between the computer user and the computer hardware. Computer system architecture. Computer system architecture is the organization of the components which make up a computer system and the meaning of the operations which guide its function. It defines what is seen on the machine interface, which is targeted by programming languages and their compilers. There are mainly three types of computer system architecture: single processor systems, multiprocessor systems, and cluster systems. First one, single processor system. Most systems use a single processor. The variety of single processor systems may be surprising. However, since these systems range from PDAs through mainframes. On a single processor system, there is one main CPU cable to executing a general purpose instruction set, including instructions from user process. They may come in form of device specific processors such as keyboard and graphic controllers or on mainframes. They come may disk form or more general purpose processors such as input output processors that move data rapidly among the components of the system. All of these special purpose systems run a limited instruction set and do not run user interface. Controller microprocessors receives a sequence of requests from the main CPU and implements its disk queues and scheduling algorithm. PCs contain a microprocessor in the keyboard to convert the keystrokes into codes to the sent to the CPU. In other systems or circumstances, special purpose processors are low level components built into the task hardware. The operating system cannot communicate with these processors. They do their job autonomously. If there is only one general purpose CPU, then the system is single processor system. It is an example of how single processor system works. Next is multiprocessor system. Although single processor systems are not common, multiprocessor systems are growing importance. Such systems have two or more processors in close communication, sharing the computer bus and sometimes the clock, memory, and peripheral devices. Multiprocessor systems have three main advantages, that is, increased throughput, economy of scale, increased reliability. We use two types of multiprocessing system nowadays: asymmetric multiprocessing and asymmetric multiprocessing. Asymmetric multiprocessing, in which each processor is assigned a specific task. A master processor controls the system. The other processors either look to the master instruction or task. This scheme defines master-slave relationship. Symmetric microprocessing, in which each processor performs all tasks with the operating system. Many processor runs simultaneously. Here there is no master-slave relationship. All works together. It is the example how multiprocessor work. Last one is clustered systems. Another type of multiple CPU system is the clustered system. Clustered systems differ from multiprocessor systems, however, in that they are composed of two or more individual systems coupled together. Clustering is usually used to provide high availability service. A layer of cluster software runs to the cluster nodes. It is the example how a clustered system works. Now, let us see about the advantages and disadvantages of computer system architecture. It works faster, cheaper, more efficient, easier to use because you will be able to make informed discussions instead of guesstimating and assuming. Disadvantages: short attention span and too much multitasking, potential of loss of privacy, can limit learning and create a dependency, time sink and lots of distractions can reduce jobs, increases waste, impacts the environment. Now we reached the last part of this session, that is conclusion. Here we learned about computer system architecture, its major types and its advantages and disadvantages. Thank you for watching my video.